Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AI Hub Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called AI Hub. So this is an AI Hub review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 2 minutes and 52 seconds long. So we'll start with the demo video. You can see what they are doing from the beginning. Let's go. So once you log in, these are the 20 I guess features, starting with the content generation from ChatGPT API. By the way, they are not verbally explaining what they are doing in the demo video. So if they are not talking, then I should be not talking either. So I will shut up for for 2 minutes maybe, and I will be back after this demo video. So in the meantime, just go and check out all these features in the demo video, and I'll be right back. All right, we are done. So you have seen all those features, like you can generate all these keyword to images, content, grammar correction and everything. So I will not repeat the things which you have seen in the demo video. Okay, so I guess everything should be clear to you. And coming back to the sales page, it says it's time to make the best use of artificial intelligence and skyrocket your business growth. World's first 20-in-1 ChatGPT OpenAI powered app suite that does everything: corrects grammar, summarizes and explains text, topics, outlines, sentiments analysis, proofreading, analogy maker, keyword extractor, ad copy, and AI video generator in just 2 minutes. Let AI automate your daily tasks like smartly creating, attention grabbing, marketing, content, images, videos, much more. Just sit back and watch your profits grow. Okay, you have seen the demo video. It only creates the content, generates some AI images, corrects the grammar, put some sunglasses on your images. That's all it does. And I believe it has got nothing to do with making money. How will you make money using these features? That's entirely up to you. If you know a way how to make money with this, then you can go and buy this. Or if you want to use this software only for your personal needs or for fun, go and get it. So 100% ChatGPT supported app that creates or that works smoothly on every device. Get 20 ChatGPT powered premium business tools at the price of one. Get the first mover advantage and crush your competition. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple chat GPT apps once and for all. Use artificial intelligence to create and sell attention grabbing marketing assets to a hungry audience globally. So if you are a freelancer or you have a way to sell these features to your existing customers, you may make some money theoretically. Build high converting sales video scripts, add copies, trending articles, etc. in 3 clicks. Okay. Stop paying huge monthly fees to expensive copywriters, freelancers, video creators forever. Commercial license included. Generate and sell as many assets you would like to clients. Newbie friendly, easy to use. Stop hustling when our tool does everything for you in 3 easy clicks. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Ironclad 30-day money back guarantee. Get premium never offered before bonuses with your access today, right? So as you have seen all these 20 features in the demo video, what the software will be able to do this. Based on the demo video, you can decide if you want to generate cool images like these or some videos, some content. And if you have any purpose, you have to find your own way. What will you do with these images, contents? How do you make money with this? For me, I would say if you want to buy this, only buy for your fun, just for fun purposes, okay? Just to have some time pass. And by the way, these are fake faces, these are fake testimonials, fake reviews, and these are fake money screenshots. Fake as in they did not make money with this AI hub. They make money by selling you these software, okay? So they come on Warrior Plus and they sell you these software every now and then. So they sell, you buy, they make money. Now here they're suggesting that you can become some freelancer or you can start creating some maybe videos or content for somebody else. It depends if you will have any portfolio ranking in your freelancing website. Okay, so becoming freelancer if you're a newbie is out of the question. And then let's get to the bottom of the sales page so that I can go back to sleep. Demo, you have seen it already. So the only way you're gonna buy this if you are actually looking for control is yours. Yeah, I'm gonna control her now after this video. Control is mine, really. All right, so yes, you could only go and buy this if you are in need of this software for creating those things, images, monkey, astronaut, and maybe dog playing football, such images, AI images, you want to create them, go and get it. Do not mix this with making money online. This thing has got nothing to do with making money, but if you can somehow sell these services to somebody and make money with it, that will be your bonus, okay? So if you have spare, let's see how much, $17, I guess. Yes, if you have spare $17 and you want to go and get the software, you may find the link below my YouTube video somewhere here, which will be saying grab AI hub copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page and then help yourself. So do I need experience? No. Do you provide money back guarantee 30 days? Is step-by-step training included? Hardly, because their demo video is like 3 minutes long in which they're not talking. So I'm not sure about the training inside. How are you different from a The same thing. Do you provide support? They say they do. All right, so sales page is done, demo is done. Go and maybe rewind this YouTube review, rewind my video and watch this demo video again if you want to maybe check out these features one more time, and then you can decide if you're gonna buy this or not. And let's talk about some OTOs here. So where are they? One OTO, then we have OTO 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. God knows what are you paying for here. So OTO 1, 2, 3, these are the things, and then I don't know. Okay, so here Pro means that they might have some restriction, and in Pro version you will be able to create everything unlimited. Okay, or maybe this one for unlimited, $67, right? So you have to pay $67 to create everything unlimited. So when you buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant these sales pages, and then you can decide which ones you want to buy or which ones you want to leave, and even after that you can upgrade later on once you're logged in, right? So go and get this if you want to buy this for fun only. Don't expect to make money with this. This is only a software which does few things. It gives you a lot of features in one dashboard. So that's the reason you want to go and buy, then go and buy. But if you're here to make money on the internet, then you can go below my YouTube video. First thing is subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. That will not make you money, but that will keep you connected to this channel so that you can watch my videos, okay? Subscribe, like, it's all free. And the first link below my video says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Click on this link here, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there to understand what you're getting into, because the syndicate will teach you everything about forex trading on a basic level. Forex trading is such as currency trading. We have these currencies in the world such as Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, and many more. Okay, so you buy currency at low price and you sell the currency when the price goes up. For example, you will be inside this training you will be learning how to set up this virtual machine. Okay, now we will be doing all this automatically, so you don't have to become some expert or you don't have to do it manually. Instead, you will learn how to set up this virtual machine, how to set up the graph, and then how to set up a software. So we will be using a software on this graph, and we will give the settings, the correct settings to the software, and that software will be trading on our behalf automatically. Okay, so if you see some results here, so this is a $50,000 demo account, and account history, here you go. This is the money which I made yesterday only. You can see the date, which is 1st of March 2023. Okay, $1,882 in just one single day on an account which is $50,000. Now everybody will not deposit 50,000. I know you will not have that much fund, and the minimum you can start trading will be with $100. So you can deposit 100, 200, 300, 500, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, whatever you can afford. Okay, more details will be inside the training called the syndicate. If you have the guts, not with the money, guts about learning, because the syndicate is around 8 hours long training. So if you have the guts to go through the training, learn, implement, absorb, and then take action, then go and unlock the syndicate. If you don't have time, if you're busy or you can't go into the training and learn everything, no problem, come back again, subscribe, like, leave. Second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. If you want to make these reviews, make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, email marketing, or you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, then this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, which is required if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized. After your channel is monetized, you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, whether you buy something from me or not, I have made some money already, because when you are watching this YouTube video, you are watching some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. So if you want to do manual work on YouTube and you exactly want to make videos like me or reviews like me, you can go and get Traffic Jarvis. Or if you don't want to work manually on YouTube, then you can go for this forex thingy, in which you will have to learn once set up all this thingy, and then you will be able to do everything on autopilot, because the software will be working on our behalf. Okay, and if you will need support, you will be able to contact me on Skype, where you can ask me live questions, and maybe I can even call you if I feel like that you need some help over the phone. Okay, so what we have here, so we have this thingy called AI Hub. It's something which does few things. So if you again check these features, you will be able to do all these things using the software. It has got nothing to do with making money. So by buying this, you will not make money. This will only help you to have some fun. Okay, so go and buy this if you want to, for whatever reason. But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then come below the video here, check out the first link, the syndicate for forex trading, check out Traffic Jarvis for YouTube, and subscribe, like. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.